dear students. In the last session we have discussed exhaustible and inexhaustible resources and also the importance of coal, petroleum and natural gas. Today our topic is natural gas is another important fuel. So yesterday what we have discussed, coal is an important fuel and as well as petroleum is an important fuel. So how our ancestors have used, nowadays how we are utilizing these natural resources. Now we are going to discuss about the natural gas. So our ancestor doesn't know about the importance of this natural gas. So when they did the drilling mission, so they just extract the petroleum, but so when they did the drilling mission, what happened? Some gases may be released, but our ancestor doesn't know what gas it is, what is the importance of this gas. So when we observe in our textbook, yesterday we had discussed, see here, this is the drilling rig. So by using this mission, so the natural gas is present in between the impervious rocks. So where it is present? So natural gas is present impervious rocks. So when we did the drilling mission, what happened? First we obtained the petroleum. So here we obtain the petroleum. So our ancestors' aim is to get the petroleum, but when the drilling rig is working, what happens? Some gases may be escape. So our ancestor doesn't know the importance of this gas. So when the science and technology is developed, they know the importance of natural gas. So this is also an important fuel. This gas also be an important fuel. So here the important point is the natural gas is present in between the impervious rocks. So the exploration of the petroleum and natural gas, all is working under the one department is there, that is ONGC. The exploration of the natural gas and the petroleum. So oil and natural gas corporation. Oil and natural gas corporation. So all these works in our India, whether to get the petroleum from the rocks, from the earth, or maybe natural gas. So total these are works under this ONGC. So the abbreviation is Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. So what is the use of this natural gas? So this natural gas is stored under higher pressure. This natural gas is stored under higher pressure. So this gas we call as a CNG. So what is the full form of CNG? CNG means compressed natural gas. So CNG. So this natural gas is stored under the higher pressure. That we call as a CNG. CNG means compressed natural gas. So what is the use of this compressed natural gas? So this compressed natural gas is used as a fuel in the vehicles. Especially it is used as a fuel in the vehicles, motor vehicles. So next one, other uses of petroleum and natural gases. Other uses of petroleum and natural gas. So when we observe this figure, so how all these products are obtained. So already in our previous classes, that is a 6th class, you learned that some separating methods are there. There is a hand picking method, distillation method, chromatography method. So here already yesterday we have discussed petroleum is a not the single product. Petroleum is not the single product. So after the science and technology development, they obtained so many products. They extracted so many products from this petroleum. So many products are extracted from this petroleum by one method is there, that is a fractional distillation. Fractional distillation. This is the one of the method. This is the one of the method which is used to get these many products from this petroleum. So the first, by the fractional distillation method, the first obtained byproduct from the petroleum is kerosene. The first obtained product from the petroleum by using this fractional distillation method is a kerosene. First obtained product. Remember, it is the first obtained product from the petroleum is a kerosene. So our ancestors used, already yesterday we had discussed petroleum. So by here asphalt is one of the product obtained from the petroleum which is used to float the boats on the water, and as they are used just for it to lighting, for heat only. But they don't know these many products we obtained from this petroleum. Our ancestors doesn't know. So by here we know that, we realize that so many products we obtain from this petroleum by using a fractional distillation method. So see here, when we observe the figure in our textbook, see, refining of petroleum. So how we refine this petroleum? How we refine this petroleum means that by using one method, that is a fractional distillation method. Is it clear? Refining method is a fractional distillation method. See in this book. So fractional distillation method is going under at different temperatures. See here at below 40 degrees centigrade. Below 40 degrees centigrade, we obtain here fuels. So where this fuel is used? Liquid petroleum gas. So at below 40 degrees centigrade, by the fractional distillation method, we will get the one fuel, that is a LPG, liquid petroleum gas, which is used in domestic purpose in our home. Next, at 40 degrees centigrade, we get so many chemicals. We will get so many chemicals like shoe polish or maybe cleaning solutions. Cleaning solutions are shoe polish. And at 120 degrees centigrade, we will get the one product, that is a petrol. We will get the petrol. So already we know that use of the petrol. So many vehicles are run by using this petrol. See now go here. See the car. How this car runs? Petrol. And here dry cleaning fluid and heating torch. So petroleum, this petrol is used. And next at 170 degrees centigrade, we will get another product, that is a kerosene. So already we can discuss here, kerosene is the first obtained byproduct from the petroleum by using method of fractional distillation at 170 degrees centigrade. So where it is used? So it is used as a fuel, that is for the light. Okay now, see now bro, kerosene oil is used. Kerosene oil is used in wind stove, lantern, even in the aeroplanes also. Next one, at 270 degrees centigrade, you will get the diesel. So already we know that the diesel is used in the diesel engines and also lorries, buses. So many units are there. And at 400 degrees centigrade, we get the lubricant oil. Here 400 degrees centigrade, we get the lubricant oil. So this lubricant oil is used in lubricant oil generators. So this lubricant oil is used in the lubricant oil generators. And when is at 600 degrees centigrade. centigrade. At 600 degrees centigrade, you will get here fuel oil. So this fuel oil is used in the boiler generators. See here, industrial boilers. So fuel oil is used in the industrial boilers. And finally, the residue is obtained. Means from by heating this petroleum from 0 degrees centigrade, 40 degrees centigrade to 600 degrees centigrade, the residue is there. The mud particle is there. So the residue also has so many uses. So this residue we call as a asphalt. This residue. So our ancestors used the asphalt to float the boats on the water. This asphalt. So from this asphalt we get the paints. From this asphalt we will get the paints, as well as some liquids. Some liquids also used to make the roads. And so by using this method, you will get from the asphalt we will get the paraffin. So from this paraffin, see here, 8 byproducts we will produce. See here, ointments from the paraffin, especially we can say from the asphalt. From the asphalt we will get the ointments, face creams, grease, matchbox, candle, wash paper, Vaseline. So ointments, Vaseline, face creams, all these are petrochemical products. So when we observe the face creams or maybe Vaseline, they will write this is a petrochemical product. It is a especially these ointments, face creams, Vaseline, wash paper, matchbox, all these are obtained as a residue of petroleum. So natural gas is another important fuel, and other uses of petroleum and natural gas. So this is the uses of the other uses of the petroleum. These are other uses of the petroleum. And see in our textbook, activity is given activity 3. This is activity 3. Name of the petroleum products. And uses. So here they are asking uses of the fuel oil. What is the use of the fuel oil? It is used in the LPG and fertilizers and make the synthetic rubbers. To make the synthetic rubbers and also fertilizers and to make the LPG gas also. Next one, another one, kerosene. What is the use of the kerosene? Kerosene is used in the lantern. Kerosene is used in the wick stove. That is the use of the kerosene. Next one, diesel oil. So diesel engines we can use, lorries we can use, and vehicles like a bus. Even though in the trains also they are using the diesel oil. The next one is a paraffin gas. The use of the paraffin gas. So already we have discussed ointment, face creams, Vaseline, matchbox. So many uses are there. So that is activity 3. So use of natural gas is another important fuel, and other use of the petrol and the natural gas. Thank you, one and all.